What's up, guys? Mike from MMRP Racing. Hey, so just to give some clarification for the guys that are buying the gauge cluster covers, had a lot of questions lately regarding them. You do not have to do anything with the original. All you have to do is simply take the top cover piece off, take the two nuts that hold the actual bracket on. If you take this off slightly, you don't have to undo any wires, you just lift it up, and there's two tiny screws in the back side. You just take those out slightly. You don't have to take them all the way out, just to give you a little bit of a gap between the front gauge cover and then the actual piece that holds the outside. Once you do that, you just leave it kind of sitting there loose. You don't have to take the original off. I would actually recommend not taking it off. Just leave it alone, so if you ever want to keep it back to the original, you can just go back to it. But here's the cover, the new black cover that everyone's been buying lately. Smooth that up a little bit. Just slides up into place. There's posts on the bottom. You guys can see that. There's just 4 posts. You set them down in the posts. You set it back down, and there is your black cover now. So don't take the original off. Just slide this over it, tighten the screws back down that you loosened, and then put the bolts back on, and you can put everything back on the way it was. So then everything should end up working. Yeah. Thanks.